All right, guys. Today's video, not too much going on. I'm just working on my hood. Took it off while we got the car going to paint. Had a windstorm come through. It fell. Had like probably 8 small cracks. 1 big crack show up. So I had to strip that area, cut grooves, valleys if you want to call it that. Redo it Bondo. So that's pretty much all this video is about. Video's not gonna have an outro because it's now 10:47 and got home, remembered there wasn't an outro, so here it is. Intro, outro. Hope you guys enjoy it, and thank you for always coming back, supporting me, support the channel. All right, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and please share the videos. Thank you guys so much, and hopefully have something exciting for you on Wednesday. Thank you.
What's happening here? So you know what it was? This shit's actually kind of sad. I'm not. Sounds like Tito just messed up something.
The hood is on the car. It's not done. We took it off and we were prepping everything, and it fell not once, twice, but 3 times.
3 times?
3 times. Thrice.
Oh, shit.
Yes. So we ended up with cracks here, 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 there, 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 here. That was enough. So right here, this is what came. So yeah, repairing all the cracks right now. Oh, forgot to tell you guys. I know I didn't do a video with it, but I was by myself working on Saturday night. Both seats are in.
I'm about to give you guys a POV. So here we go, we got the shifter. That thing is heavy, but check out that paint, man. That paint is nice. We're gonna switch this one out. Get it looking real nice. We got the accent pieces right there. Don't got the door cards in because we still gotta figure out these seats.
Anyway, let me go to knock this out. You might get a hyperlapse, you might not see it. Yeah, let me get back to work. What's up? You're recording or taking a picture?
A little bit of both.
Can you